I don't usually review this many cars in one go, but you know, there's just been so much released recently. Case U, Case V, Case W just came out just like weeks apart from each other. Collecting cars is great. The community is going so well at the time of recording this, and just life is good as well. We're going back to normal. But today, guys, we'll be taking a close look at the Case V highlights. Technically, you can include Rally Race Chick Hicks as a Case V highlight, but he's also in a 2-pack, so that's why I didn't review him as a single, because if you are smart enough, then you would only need to open up these two and not Chick Hicks and open him up in the 2-pack. But yeah, today we'll be taking a close look at Race and Rescue Mater and Race and Rescue Lightning McQueen, which I did manage to get off Vinted, and I'll leave an image of my favourite seller in the UK as well, Gendams. So yeah, make sure you go check out her store, because she does get in a lot of car stuff all the time. So yeah, first of all, we're going to take a close look at the Lightning McQueen here, or at least his card art. We can see the usual Cars 3 art for Lightning McQueen. New for 2025, there is the Diecast, the updated Mattel logo, the name down here, the new Race and Rescue logo there in the corner. And on the back of the packaging, we can see Sarge, Chick Hicks, and Mater, which you could check out my other videos for, you know, Chick Hicks in the iCard, and of course, Race and Rescue Sarge in the Case W highlights. But yeah, so that is a Lightning McQueen. Now I'll quickly take a close look at the packaging for Mater. We have the brand new Mater mold they use here, as we can see. We've got the Mater there, which looks pretty cool. Very nice stuff. Name, same stuff, just that they swapped out McQueen. Well, they put McQueen on, but they swapped out Mater and put, you know, McQueen there instead, which sort of does make sense at the same time, if you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's these two guys. So yeah, I'll be right back with them all out of the packaging. Here we have Mater and McQueen out of the packaging, and I've got to say, first glance, I actually prefer the look of Mater than Lightning McQueen. But we're going to start off with taking a closer look at Lightning McQueen, because he is probably one of the ones that doesn't make the least amount of sense, because he is also in the Rally Race 200, so there's two versions of him. But yeah, here is McQueen. We can see the expression, the Race and Rescue logo on his hood there, lightning bolts, the sirens, the headlights on the top, window bars, etc. Race and Rescue, there's the side, we can see red and yellow rims. The back, his fuel cap is there, we can see the back, Race and Rescue 95. And here is a close look at the base. You can see the tow hook holes, so he could be towed by any Mater release from 2022 onwards. So yeah, here is a comparison with him next to the Rally Race 200 McQueen, which I reviewed recently in 2-packs KC highlights. See how the windows are dramatically different here compared to, you know, this version, as you can see, which is weird. I don't know why Mattel decided to go that route. But yeah, I do prefer the Rally Race 200 McQueen a lot more than the Race and Rescue one. See the two backs. Pretty cool stuff though. So that is a close look at McQueen. Now we will take a close look at Mater here. We can see there's the expression. We can see his headlights, which look like Pokeballs. Pretty sure there is a blue Pokeball like the Great Ball, but I don't know too much about Pokemon. I used to, but then I died off the hype of it ever since Pokemon Go came out. But yeah, it's a video maybe for another day. Yeah, Race and Rescue, Radiator Springs, which is actually slightly different to some other ones, which is nice. We've got his blue mirrors on the sides. Race and Rescue, Rescue again, with the back portion being yellow. Brand new tow hook, which looks absolutely cool. I really do like that. We can see the red hook on the bottom there, which is a slight, you know, difference to the hook here we can see. So it curves right at the end, and there's a little tip on the curved bit, which is nice. There's, look at the other side. yellow wheels. And then here is a look at the base. So yeah, that is pretty much the end of the review of these two guys. I did just want to show this McQueen, which is the Deputy Head McQueen with slime, but I took the slime off because, you know, they look sort of similar. I've seen a lot of people compare them to each other, so I just, you know, thought I would. But yeah, let's bring out the whole gang now. I believe I have everything so far. So we've got the Lightning McQueen, we got Red here in the background, Sarge, Sheriff, Chick Hicks, Jackson Storm in the background, and everyone's least favourite, Adam Rodriguez. But yeah, that is a lot of Rally Race and Rescue stuff so far, and there is still a lot more to come out. So if you want to watch those videos when they do come out, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let's try and hit 25,000 subscribers before the end of 2025. Until the next video, peace everybody.